What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about critical points, interval of increase, interval of decrease, and local minimum and local maximum. Here in this example we have f prime x, which is the first derivative of f of x, equals to x to the power of negative 1 over 3 times x plus 2. So we need to find out the critical point. Critical points by definition is an interior point of the domain of a function f where f prime is 0 or undefined. This is called critical point, 0 or undefined, f prime. So in here, when you have x equals to negative 2, that makes f prime equals to 0. And when x is 0, f prime is gonna be undefined. So the two critical points is going to be negative 2 and it's going to be 0. Because here f prime x is going to be x plus 2 divided by cube root of x. That's basically how you can show this f prime x. Now we need to find out the interval of increase or interval of decrease. We have x plus 2, we have root x, cube root of x, and we have f prime. The critical points is negative 2 and 0. We divide the regions into three different regions, negative 3, negative 1, and positive 1. If you sub it there, it's going to be negative, negative, and that's going to be positive. Negative 1 plus positive, negative, so the answer positive times negative is going to be negative. When you sub 1 is going to be positive, and this one is positive, so it's going to be positive. So f prime is positive, negative, positive. Whenever f prime is positive, it means that f is increasing, and whenever f prime is negative, it means that f is decreasing. So here at this point is increasing, this one decreasing, and then it's increasing. But here at 0 we have 0 is going to be undefined, so we don't have local minimum and maximum. But here, since it's increasing and then decreasing, we have a local maximum at x equals to negative 2. So we have only one local maximum, which is going to be at x equals to negative 2. And here we have the interval of increase and decrease. Interval of increase is going to be negative infinity to negative 3 and 1 to infinity. Interval of decrease is going to be negative 2 to 0. That's going to be the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in description in case you need extra practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, physics, and chemistry. Thank you for watching and have a great day.